Hello everyone, this is Lieutenant VL Vimla. This channel is all about listening and learning the language. In this video, present tense verbs and subjects are pink color highlighted and present continuous tense verbs and subjects are orange color highlighted. Make use of them to familiarize yourself with the present tense and present continuous tense verb usage. Now, you are going to listen to a short story titled Be Wise to Be Wonderful. Let's listen to the short story. There is an elderly woman. She has two large pots. She carries them across her neck by hanging each of the pots in each side of the shoulder yoke. One of the pots is having a crack in it. The other pot is perfect and delivering pot full of water. So, it is the routine. Every time the old lady brings only 1.5 pots of water to home. It is natural that the perfect pot feels proud of itself for carrying the water fully, while the cracked pot is feeling ashamed of bringing home only the half of the pot. The time is passing. A year has gone. The cracked pot feels ashamed of its water delivery status. It talks to the old lady. I am feeling ashamed of myself. The crack in me is leaking the water out and is allowing me to bring home only the half of my capacity. I am feeling ashamed of my imperfection, it says. The old lady smiles and asks the cracked pot, "Did you notice the flowers on your side of the path, but not on the other pot's side?" The cracked pot remains silent with a perplexed feel. The old lady continues, "I know your flaw. I found this flaw in you is interesting and unique. I thought that I should support it, so I sowed some flower seeds on your side of the path. Every day on our way back to our home, you water them. You have been watering them for the past 1 year. I have been picking the flower from the plants and decorating our home for the past 9 months. This has been possible just because the way you are. Even now, you are watering them. It is the way we utilize ourselves makes our lives meaningful and useful to ourselves and others. Despite our limitations, if we are in the right hands and the right place, we will become a wonderful resource for ourselves and for others. We have to be wise in choosing. So, choose to be in the hands of a right person who can see the crack in you as your unique quality, and be wise in choosing to become wonderful. Thanks for watching this video. Until we meet in the next video, take care.